Welcome to my in-depth review of Avant, the popular credit builder website. If you've been looking for a way to improve your credit score, Avant might just be one of the options you're considering. This platform offers a range of financial services, including credit builder loans designed to help you boost your credit score. But is it really worth it? Let's dive into the features, user experience, and overall performance of the platform. Upon visiting Avant's website, you'll notice its clean, user-friendly interface. The process of signing up is straightforward, and you can get started right away by filling out a short online form. One of the key benefits of Avant is the easy access to personal loans and credit builder products for people with less than perfect credit scores. This makes it an appealing option for individuals who might not qualify for traditional credit cards or loans. After creating an account, Avant offers personalized credit building tools based on your financial profile. You can track your credit score, see how your loan payments are impacting it, and get a breakdown of your credit report. The loan options available through Avant are designed to be manageable, with clear terms and competitive interest rates, especially when compared to other credit building solutions. One of the standout features of Avant is the transparency it provides. Unlike many other credit builder platforms, Avant doesn't hide its fees or terms. Everything is laid out in an easy-to-understand format, so you can make an informed decision before committing. Whether you're new to credit building or looking for a more streamlined option, Avant's clear structure makes it a solid choice. However, Avant is not without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that its loan interest rates can be higher compared to traditional credit products, so it's essential to carefully review the terms before applying. Additionally, while Avant offers great tools to track your credit score, it's important to keep in mind that results may take some time to show up on your report. Patience and consistency are key when using Avant to build your credit. Now, let's talk about customer service. Avant does a great job in providing support through both phone and email channels, but some users have reported wait times during busy periods. If you have questions about your account or need help understanding your loan terms, it's a good idea to reach out directly to their team. So, is Avant worth it? If you're serious about building or improving your credit and are okay with the higher interest rates that come with it, then Avant is a solid choice. The platform is reliable, transparent, and offers useful credit building tools that can help you take control of your finances. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more honest reviews of financial tools and services. Thanks for watching.